For families living in Fleming Island, Florida, home security is about more than just locks and alarms. It's about creating a safe, comfortable space where everyone feels protected. While many homeowners focus on high-tech systems or outdoor lighting, two of the most important features for safeguarding your home are often overlooked: your windows and doors. Windows and doors serve as the main points of entry to your home, which makes them critical to its overall security. With modern advancements in design and materials, today's window and door replacements offer enhanced protection against break-ins, extreme weather, and everyday wear and tear, giving Fleming Island families peace of mind year-round. Here's how upgrading your windows and doors can strengthen your home's security while maintaining comfort and style. Stronger materials for lasting protection. Older or poorly maintained windows and doors can be a weak spot in your home's defense. Wooden frames, for instance, may rot or warp over time, and thin glass panes can easily shatter under force. Modern replacements, on the other hand, are built using durable materials designed for strength and resilience. Fiberglass doors are highly resistant to impact, warping, and weather damage. They provide the security of a solid core without compromising style. Steel doors are another excellent option, offering unmatched strength and superior resistance to forced entry. Vinyl or composite window frames resist cracking and corrosion, ensuring they stay strong even in Florida's humid climate. These materials not only enhance your home's security but also reduce maintenance needs, making them a smart long-term investment for busy families. Impact-resistant glass for added safety. Living in Fleming Island means preparing for the occasional tropical storm or hurricane season. That's why many homeowners choose impact-resistant glass, which provides both storm protection and added home security. Unlike traditional glass that shatters on impact, impact-resistant windows use laminated layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer that holds the pane together, even when cracked. This feature makes it extremely difficult for intruders to break through, while also preventing dangerous shards from scattering if the glass is struck. Impact-resistant windows offer dual benefits. They keep your home safe during severe weather and act as a powerful deterrent against break-ins. Multi-point locking systems for maximum security. A solid door or window means little if it isn't properly secured. Many modern window and door designs now come with advanced locking mechanisms that provide far more protection than traditional single-point locks. Multi-point locking systems secure the door or window at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder to force open. Reinforced strike plates and hinges add strength where it matters most. Keyed or electronic locks on entry doors give homeowners greater control over access. These features not only increase safety but also add peace of mind, whether you're home or away. Enhanced visibility and smart design. Believe it or not, good visibility can also improve home security. Modern window and door designs allow homeowners to see who's outside without compromising safety. Glass panels with built-in blinds offer privacy and control, letting in natural light while shielding your interior from view. Entry doors with sidelights can be fitted with decorative, frosted, or textured glass for visibility without sacrificing privacy. Smart glass and security film options provide even more flexibility for homeowners who want to enhance safety without giving up style. By strategically combining function and design, you can create a home that feels both open and secure. Professional installation for long-term security. Even the best security windows and doors won't perform as expected if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and alignment, eliminating gaps or weaknesses that intruders could exploit. Experienced installers in Fleming Island understand local building codes and weather conditions, ensuring your new windows and doors meet both safety and energy efficiency standards. With professional installation, your investment will deliver maximum protection, performance, and durability. Final thoughts for Fleming Island families: security and comfort go hand in hand. By upgrading to modern, high-quality windows and doors, you can protect your home against intruders, withstand Florida's unpredictable weather, and improve your family's overall peace of mind. From impact-resistant glass to reinforced locking systems and professional installation, every detail matters. The right combination of strength, design, and craftsmanship ensures your home remains a safe haven for the people who matter most. Because when it comes to protecting your family, your windows and doors should be your home's strongest defense, not its weakest point.